Speaking. Can you guess what it is? Look carefully. What is this? Is it a lioness? Nooo. That's not correct. Is it an African dog? Nope. Try again. Is it a lion? Yes. It's a lion. Wow, you're very clever. Now, how do we spell lion? L-I-O-N. Nice work. Can you say it with me? Lion. Louder again. Lion. Now let's find another one. Can you guess what it is? Look carefully. What is this? Is it a hamster? Nooo. That's not correct. Is it an elephant? Nope. Try again. Is it a blue whale? Yes. It's a blue whale. Wow, you're so smart. Now, how do we spell blue whale? B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E. Well done. Can you say it with me? Blue whale. Louder again. Blue whale. Now let's find another one. Can you guess what it is? Look carefully. What is this? Is it a wolf? Nooo. That's not correct. Is it a bear? Nope. Try again. Is it a polar bear? Yes. It's a polar bear. Wow, you're really smart. Now, how do we spell polar bear? P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Good job. Can you say it with me? Polar bear. Louder again. Polar bear. Thank you for watching Speaking.